Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's kitchen. I would like to share with you this very practical and delicious roasted meat recipe. So let's get started. Let's put 3-4 tablespoons of oil in our pan and heat it. I used half a kilogram of minced beef on it. Let's add the meat. Stir for 2-3 minutes on high heat until it gets to this color. So let's close the lid of our pan and let the meat release its broth. As you can see in the video, our meat released too much water. So let's close the lid again. If the meat doesn't release any water, you can add some hot water. With the lid closed at low heat, let's cook until the meats are soft and until it absorbs the juice. I cooked for about 40 minutes. If your meat didn't get soft, you can add hot water again and extend the cooking time. Now we are gonna add a medium-sized chopped onion and 2 or 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Now cook for 2-3 more minutes. Then add 3-4 pieces of green peppers and 1 red capia pepper on it and continue roasting. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter, but in fact I forgot to add it before, so you can add it with the onion. Then I peeled 3 medium-sized tomatoes and I cut them into cubes. I add them now. I add some salt and 1 teaspoon of red pepper. Let's add half a teaspoon of each hot pepper, black pepper, and thyme. You can adjust the amount of spices according to your own taste. Let's mix it and add half a cup of water. With the lid of the pan closed, cook it for half an hour on low heat. It's ready at the end of half an hour. As you can see, it was very practical. Let's get it from the stove. You can serve it with rice. You see, it looks very great. Our roasted meat was really delicious. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.